Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Tuesday to you. It is Tuesday, October 12th, and I am a little bit later today. I apologize. I had a meeting at 4:15, and then I was finishing my walk, and I was getting some fresh air because it's absolutely beautiful out today. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. What a nice day to be outside. Get outside before it gets dark. And get a walk in, get a run in, hike, something. Just get outside and enjoy this beautiful weather that we are having. So today's beautiful. I think tomorrow's supposed to be nice. So get outside and enjoy the weather. So thanks everybody for joining me. Hopefully my not announcement, but my went out that I am live so that people can see me. We had a great wine dinner last night, so thanks to those of you who were at our wine dinner. It was a busy one, and it was a busy night here at Aroma Thyme. So thank you everybody for coming. We really appreciate it. We pulled out some New York State wines, an Italian wine, a Spanish wine. So we do these wine dinners every other week. 4 wines and a dish for $29. Next Monday, we will be doing our beer dinner. So again, it'll be 4 beers and a dish for $29 out in our garden, weather permitting. And then the following week, we'll do our wine dinner again. So hopefully you can join us for one of our wine dinner, beer dinners coming up. So thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. I see a bunch of people on. If you are watching me live, please put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. If you give me a thumbs up so that I know you're here, that would be awesome. Tell me what you'll be drinking tonight. Will you have a glass of wine? Will you have a mixed drink? Is there something special you'd like me to be making? I'd love to help you. So Aroma Thyme is closed tonight. It is Tuesday, so Tuesdays and Wednesdays we are closed. Thursday, we usually have jazz. So we're going to be starting something a little bit new in the next week or so. So normally our new $9.99 special comes out on Monday, but we're going to be putting our $9.99 special out on Thursdays now. So we did start this Monday, so we're going to have an extra day in there. So we're going to go Monday to Monday this week. And our $9.99 special is mahi mahi with a roasted tomato salsa. And rice and broccoli to go for $9.99. So you can order that starting Thursday. So Thursday to Monday, you can have that $9.99 special. We served it last night at our wine dinner. It was a big hit. Everybody loved it. So order that, take that home, take that to go, $9.99. Our regular menu is available as well. So you can get all of that. Again, we are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Let's see. So big shout out to Marcus. Today is our 31st dating anniversary. So 31 years ago today, Marcus and I started dating. It's either today or tomorrow, but it's pretty much today.
You beat me to it.
Yeah, I beat you to it.
I was going to post tomorrow.
Yeah, well, no, I beat you to it, so now you have to say tomorrow. But today is our 31st dating anniversary, so we've been together for 31 years today. Hard to believe. We have a beautiful restaurant, a beautiful family. We are super blessed, super thankful. We have fun. It's interesting. We go on adventures. Every day is a new adventure with Marcus. And so happy anniversary to him. And let's see. So today, and so I am heading to a soccer game. So I have on one of Justin's baseball shirts from Canisius. I'm heading to an Ellenville game, but their colors are gold and blue, just like Canisius's colors. So I put on this gold shirt to support senior night tonight for Ellenville girls soccer. So, and before I go, I am going to, I know Marcus had mentioned it in one of his Facebook Lives, but we have this awesome vermouth on tap now. So I'm going to pour a little bit. I'm going to put a little ice in my glass. If you come in to Aroma Thyme, you will get a 6-ounce pour in this glass. And let's see if I can. I'm going to take this off here. I'm going to flip it around and I'm going to show you. So it's right on tap here. Marcus is going to pour while I hold. Oh, actually, Marcus is going to hold my glass while I pour. So look. Oh, sorry. So look at that. So it's coming out of the tap. Can you see it? So that is the sweet vermouth. It's called Mata Sweet Vermouth from Spain. Let's see. So the story behind this, let me flip this around. So there it is. So The story behind the sweet vermouth is kind of a fun story. So when we were in Spain 3 years ago, every bar we went into had sweet vermouth on tap. And it was super inexpensive, it was delicious, and but every bar had it, and we were like, how do we get sweet vermouth on tap? So it's taken us 3 years, almost 3 years to the week, to get sweet vermouth on tap. And here it is, so I'm gonna taste it. You might ask, how do you drink sweet vermouth? So I drink sweet vermouth on the rocks. It's delicious. You can make a Manhattan with sweet vermouth. I'm not really sure what else you would put sweet vermouth in. What else would you put sweet vermouth in?
A Negroni.
Oh, a Negroni. So a Manhattan, a Negroni. I'm sure there's other drinks out there. I just don't know them offhand. Connie's saying I can't wait to try. So hello, Terry and Wanda and Connie. There's a bunch of people on. Hillary, thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. So sweet vermouth on tap. It is awesome. It's not super sweet. Oh yeah, you can put, thank you, you can put sweet vermouth in sangria. I don't put it in our sangria, but you could put it in your sangria. My secret ingredient in sangria is cinnamon stick, which is probably very similar to the herbs that they put in sweet vermouth. Yeah. Anyway, so sweet vermouth on tap. Come in, enjoy it on the rocks, enjoy it in a drink. If you have any drinks that you make with sweet vermouth, please drop a comment. I'd love to hear about them. And so this is a tribute to our trip to Spain, how awesome it was. And we're super excited to have it on tap. We're super excited to bring it to you. Only two companies have sweet vermouth in New York. Is that what it is?
In a keg.
In a keg. Okay.
In a keg. One, the sales rep told me it's not that good of a product to skip it. And the other company we just started dealing business with because of this. So 300 distributors in New York, only 2 distributors actually have.
And there's only 2 kinds, right?
There's only 2 kinds, yeah. So we searched the whole database. So
we have one of them. I'd be interested to see if there's anywhere else in our area that has sweet vermouth on tap. So if you know of a place, let us know. Marcus and I would love to check it out. And I'm gonna head to the soccer game. Hope everybody has an awesome night. Cheers, and happy anniversary to Marcus and I. And hopefully we'll see everybody soon. Talk to you later. Cheers.